Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to scan. First, open the mobile scanner app and grant camera and storage access so the app can save files. Place the paper flat, align edges with guides, and use natural or steady light to avoid glare. This improves OCR accuracy. Tap the capture button, then preview the frame, make minor adjustments to crop corners. Once done, select color mode and 300 dpi for text documents or JPG for images, and move to the next step to refine pages. Now refine each page. Crop tightly to remove margins, rotate so text reads left to right, and use crop handles for precision. You can apply Auto Enhance to straighten color and contrast. If needed, tweak brightness and contrast manually to make text crisper for OCR. Combine multiple captures into one PDF, then rename the file with a clear title and date. Make sure to reorder pages in the correct sequence. Once organized, export or save to your preferred folder or cloud storage. Finish by saving and sharing. Choose Save Location, device folder or cloud drive, add tags or a clear file name, then export as PDF if you need universal compatibility. Share directly from the app via email or link, or copy to another app. If a page looks blurry or OCR fails, retake that page using a steadier grip or tripod, increase lighting, and set resolution higher. Finally, verify the saved file opens correctly. This prevents surprises when you must send or print it later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.